Your video gets hit, blocked worldwide, revenue frozen, or worse, a strike. This is not the time to panic. This is the time for an emergency counterplan. I'm Favu Studio, the voice of fair use, and in this episode, we're breaking down what to do immediately after a copyright claim, a block, or a strike. This isn't legal advice. This is creator protection. Most creators lose their channel by reacting too fast, deleting videos, filing bad disputes, sending emotional emails. Your first move is not action, it's assessment. Every emergency starts with one question. What kind of claim is this? Is it a content ID claim, a manual copyright claim, or a copyright strike? Each one triggers a different response. Treating them the same can cost you your channel. Here's the truth most creators learn too late. Fair use is a legal defense, not a platform shield. YouTube doesn't decide fair use. Courts do, so being right is not the same as being safe. This is where strategy matters. Document everything. The claim details, the timestamps, the impact, then evaluate risk versus reward. Not every video is worth escalation. Protect the channel first. Content comes second. This is where most creators make it worse. Don't auto-dispute. Don't re-upload. Don't assume fair use will save you. And don't let panic make decisions for you. Most channels don't fail from copyright. They fail from bad moves after the claim. The real counterplan starts before your next upload. Understanding content ID, knowing dispute risk, building transformation into your content. Creator protection isn't reactive, it's preventive. If you've made it this far, you now understand what most creators don't learn until it's too late. I'm Favu Studio, the voice of fair use. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and protect your channel.